Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Well, Lizzie reached out to me earlier and said, I thought you might be interested in something fun this evening. I said, well, what's that? She says, well, it's a surprise. Well, needless to say, I am surprised. Now, first off, let's get a look at this thing, at the size of it. Oh boy. First of all, how big do you think that thing is? Right here. How big do you think that thing is? It's 12 inches. It's a full foot. Now, Lizzie, my girlfriend, said she thought I might be interested. Something fun this evening. Now, if I want to have fun, I'm going to go right to Auntie Anne's, and I'm going to get one of her soft, pretty, it's like a little bow or like a pretty butterfly. It's like a pretty butterfly. Soft, warm. It's delicious. Delicious. This, look at it. It's like scary looking. It's big. Looks aggressive. It's hard. It's hard. I want to go to Auntie Anne's and get a pretty soft butterfly. Thank you, Lizzie. But I'm not interested.